So in the process of what I call my quick knockdown wash, which really is the last 30 or 45 minutes of pressure washing to get the green off, I've uncovered a couple issues and I just wanted to point them out. One is this scuff mark. It's probably from that power cord getting dragged right there. There's also some right there. And then there's a bunch of dock mark scuffs down here. It's a big black something. It might be some tar that was on a dock post or something. That's pretty common. And then again, some black marks here. I'm going to go through with some solvent to take care of that. A good over-the-counter one for you guys to pick up if you're just buying retail stuff is Goo Gone Extreme. They do make a regular Goo Gone. You don't want that. It's not strong enough. Goo Gone Extreme I found to be safe on gel coat, and it'll take off all these little scuffs by just applying to a white terry cloth towel a good amount and then scrubbing those areas until the scuff goes away. Just be careful. You don't want to be hitting this striping with that because it's probably going to take or damage those potentially, so you don't want to do that. The reason that I started doing this video right now is really right here. As I was washing this portion, you can see where it's washed on this side, but not so much over here. Okay, same thing on the flooring here, the swim step. What I found though is these rust spots. Someone's either used steel wool on this boat or some other work that was going on potentially. Could have even been something called fallout, which is iron that's in the air. It sticks on boats, but more likely because how heavy this is, it's not fallout. It's probably shavings from something metal. Maybe someone was grinding, maybe someone was using steel wool. I don't know. It's all over the deck though. So once I finish this wash, I'm going to use a professional grade acid, and I'm just going to spray it directly on that rust, and it's going to eat it away. I've seen out at places like West Marine a product that comes in a gel form, and it's basically the same thing, an acid, but it's in a gel. It's in a little cup. I think it's usually like a blue gel. Anyway, that stuff works real well because you can actually apply it to those rust areas, and because it's in a gel, it's going to hold up longer and not dissipate like the liquid I'm going to use will. So I'll probably have to treat this 2 or 3 times with liquid. If you had that gel, you could just lay it down, walk away, do something else, and then come back and rinse it off or whatever the directions say. I believe that one gets rinsed off. The acid I use, I'm going to let it just go until it's dry, retreat, and then rinse as a final to get that acid to go back to a water state, because that's what happens when you add water to it. Alright, hope that helps.